Legacy gifts are absolutely essential for us. They are part of what forms our ability to go on supporting students with scholarships and bursaries. And we're seeing a greater and greater need for that support amongst the students that we want to train here. What made me really want to be in this kind of context was the fact that you can work over several years with students and see them transform, them starting to find and inhabit their own artistic voice and their sense of what they can do, the difference they can make in society, in the world.
My name is Rydian Jenkins. I'm from Maesteg in South Wales and I'm a second-year student on the MA Opera course at the college. So with the opera course, it does come with a cost in itself for the studies as it's such a prestigious course. But receiving the scholarships by the different donors has helped me to focus more on the studies instead of thinking of the financial weight that comes behind it as well. It's an honour to receive these scholarships by the different people because they could have gone to any one of us. So I do feel a bit of a responsibility to make sure that I'm always given 100% with everything that I'm doing, because not only am I representing myself but I'm also representing them. But to receive the support and to show that they have the faith in me, it's really overwhelming.
I'm Jessica Lökström. I'm an international student here at Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. I'm a first-year postgraduate student in collaborative piano. I'm born and raised in Finland and I started playing piano when I was 5 and I have continued ever since. I guess for me music is all about working together. So for me the ultimate dream would be to collaborate with a lot of different people and to do that as a day-to-day job. I have the Phoebe Ida Phillips Scholarship and it allowed me to come here to the Royal Welsh to further my studies and to get my master's degree. Yeah, I was obviously relieved and just so happy to get it.
I'm Christopher Odulele. I'm from South East London and I'm studying acting. To be honest, it would be really nice to just be working regularly and to be taking part in projects that really interest me and that I'm passionate about and sort of speak to my community. But as long as I get to be creative and sort of work those muscles, that's the most important thing to me. It would have made it a lot harder if I didn't have the scholarship, so I'm really grateful for it. The gentleman who my scholarship's named after, he was a real pillar of his community. So when I was doing my research about him, it weighed quite heavily on me. So for me, it made me want to work harder and to sort of represent myself a lot better when I'm studying.
Those scholarships we know are enabling them to pursue their dreams, to undertake this professional training to the highest levels. I would say it's one of the most transformative things that you could possibly do, thinking to the talent of the future and young people who are going to carry our nation into the future. The college is always full of ambition and there are always so many things that we want to do to develop what we can offer to the students, to develop what we offer to the wider public in terms of new programs, new projects and so on. And philanthropy is hugely important to us in this respect, in terms of being able to realise some of these ambitions and really make the college a beacon of excellence for Wales for the long term. So those gifts from philanthropy are an absolutely fundamental part of our work.
It's good to know that there's people who value music and art enough to actually give money for scholarships. I really appreciate that.